Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another withdrawal proof from this mining website. And my investment, you can see I just make a deposit from to here. This is my deposit. I deposit in here. Right now I have 200 Dogecoin in here. I can withdraw this Dogecoin. Just I click the Dogecoin, or I can just click made found in here. Okay, and just put the Dogecoin I want to withdraw and select the Dogecoin and process. This will be sent me instantly to my account. Okay, if you want. Okay, and if you want to withdraw your amount from here, you can withdraw. Select Dogecoin and just click submit, and this will be submit to your withdrawal. You can see I withdraw 3 times from here, and all of that 2 times I receive my withdrawal. The first time is 80 Doge, the next time is 100. Right now is a 200 Dogecoin I withdraw from this website. This website is 100% light website. You can just invest Dogecoin. The minimum investment is 10 Dogecoin, and after that you can purchase any plan you want. Just click found wallet. You can withdraw, enter 10 Dogecoin, the minimum amount you can send, and you can also withdraw 10 Dogecoin. Okay, that's the wonderful way you can make much more Dogecoin from this website. And thanks for watching guys. Just I wait until I receive the withdrawal proof, and I just make pause the video. After I receive, I start the video again. Okay guys, I come back after a few hours, and I make withdrawal from here. I receive my withdrawal, and there's no pending. Okay, 2,200 Dogecoin. Right now I'm in my Trust wallet. You can see I receive my Dogecoin from here. And thanks for watching guys, and this website link available in the description. You can click the link and come here, join yourself and start earning. Bye bye for now.